Hello, welcome to my first ever vlog. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you're going to open a Union Bank account online. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. So, unang-una, download the Union Bank application sa Play Store if you're an Android user. Search for Union Bank. Just have to open. So if you're an iOS or Apple user, you're going to download the app in App Store. And as I said, the application is for free. So make sure you have a strong internet connection. So i-click natin ang open an account. Then, there are two options. Merong credit cards and savings accounts with debit cards. So, if you want to open a credit card account, so you're going to choose the first option. But, if you're going to open a savings account with debit card, so you're going to choose the second option. Of course, yung credit card, you know naman the usage of credit card. So, wag tayo dyan. Dito tayo sa savings account with debit card. So, you're going to choose the second option. Then, before we proceed, please be reminded that the online account opening is currently limited to Filipino citizens residing in the Philippines. Continue your online account opening. Continue. Meron tayong option if we're going to open a savings account or personal savings. For savings account, if you're going to choose this, there is no initial deposit. But there is a maintaining balance requirement or MBR, which is 25,000 pesos. And minimum ADB is 100,000. Interest rate is 0.10% and zero card fee. So this is good if you can afford the 25,000 maintaining balance. Ibig sabihin, kailangan meron kang 25,000 sa account mo para hindi siya ma-close. Second option is the personal savings account. The initial deposit is 0. Maintaining balance requirement 0. Minimum ADB is 10,000. Interest rate is 0.10%. And the card fee is 350 pesos per year. But the good news is fees are waived for the first year. Yeah. So, dito tayo sa personal savings kasi ayaw natin may maintaining balance. So, i-click natin yung personal savings, then select. Before we proceed, it is recommended that you finish the application once started. However, you may exit anytime and continue later. Make sure you have a strong and secure internet connection during the application. Prepare a valid ID. So, ito yung mga valid ID. Passport, driver's license, SSS ID, PRC ID, postal ID, and UMID. So, right now, we are going to use the passport. If you have driver's license, SSS, you may also use that as well. Then next is we'll be validating your identity through a selfie. So meron silang selfie which is part of their verification process. So make sure that you have a well-lit room and preferably dark shirt to contrast the background. Pero hindi naman talaga particular yung color of the shirt as long as klaro yung mukha, okay na yon. So, merong customer declaration. So, click accept. Then, to start, please enter your email and mobile number. Then, after typing your mobile number, a verification will be sent to your number provided. So, you just have to type a one-time password or OTP. So, make sure that you put your active phone number. Then, you're going to input your profile. Then, you have to proceed with create profile. Then, create user ID. Make sure na hindi nyo makakalimutan yung username and password because yan yung gagamitin ninyo if you're going to log in. So, your password, meron silang mga requirements sa password. So, should not be blank, 8 to 30 characters, contain alphabetical character, numeric character, and a symbol. Okay, ayan. So, once na green na lahat ng 5 lines dyan sa baba, ibig sabihin you have satisfied all the requirements in creating a password. So, the next thing is to click the next. So, you may enable the login with your fingerprint feature. Pag nagsasign up kayo sa ibang cellphone or device, you should click the not now. But if you're confident that you're using your own device, you may click the enable button to customize and to enable the security feature of this app. So you have to place your finger on your device's fingerprint sensor to continue. So ilalagay mo yung finger doon para may fingerprint siya. And then after that, personal information, Filipino, and then birthplace, best. Civil status, if you're single, married, or widowed, single tayo best. Mother's maiden name, so ibig sabihin yung pangalan ng nanay mo nung hindi pa sila nakasal ng tatay mo. Click the next. Okay, now we are going to input the present address. So, kung saan kayo kasalukuyang nakatira. So, if you're living in a condominium or renting an apartment, you can write it here. But at the moment, we are residing on our permanent address. You cannot leave this first box blank or yung unit or house number. Dito kasi sa probinsya, walang house number eh. So, lalagay na natin 0. But if you have, you may input your unit or house number. And then, you have to click this box, same as present address. If your present address and your permanent address are the same. But if it's not, you have to input again your permanent address. But since same lang yung present and permanent address ko, so I'm going to check this box. Okay, then click next. After that, you're going to fill in or to answer the financial information or your employment status. You're employed, self-employed, retired, others, unemployed, or student. You're going to click employed. Then, pag kinlik mo yung employed, ito yung lalabas. Source of funds, employer, business name, business industry, occupation, ID type, employer, and business details. Source of funds, input your employer. What is your business industry? So the options are agriculture, BPO, communications, construction, and others. Your occupation. Are you an artist, assistant manager, assistant vice president, businessman, chef, teachers, others, athlete, or flight attendant? And for the ID type, you can use SSS, GSIS, or TN. Ito lang yung options nila dito. Pero, necessarily na kung anong ilalagay mong ID dito, yun din yung ID na you're going to use for the verification process wherein you're going to take a selfie of yourself. Put in the ID number, afterwards, employer or business details, the address of your employer. So, yun. Okay, so if you're satisfied with all the information that you have provided, you may continue with the application process by clicking in the next button. But make sure that all information are factual because this will reflect on your bank account, so make sure that walang false information dito. These are all your personal details. Then next is the account details. What is the purpose of the account, and what is the estimated monthly transaction, and if are you a US citizen. Okay, so the purpose of the account is you may choose, meron silang drop down menu. So the options are personal savings, investment, purchases, allowance, proceeds of sale, and business income. So I'm going to choose personal savings. What is the estimated monthly transaction? You have around 25,000. You have 50,000, 75, so as high as 1 million yung kanilang monthly transaction, estimated monthly transaction. If you're a US citizen, then mga ganitong lumalabas. But if you're not a US citizen, so you just tick this box to certify that you're not a US citizen. Then click the next button. This is the part of the application wherein you're going to upload your document. So you have to select the type of document you want to scan. Philippines has been set as issuing country of your documents. So of course, yung mga documents are from the Philippines. So you have options like passport, driver's license, SSS ID, PRC ID, postal ID, or UMID. You may also click here below the option na merong my ID is not listed above if your ID available is not listed on the options above. Now we're going to use so you don't know how to take the correct photos. So upload the ready-made photo of the document from your gallery kasi walang option. You're going to take the photo. So you're going to use your original ID, not a photocopy or scanned version. ID details should be the same with your profile. So yun ang sinabi ko earlier, dapat yung information provided are all factual. And which is for the information that you have provided is your document or your ID. Then wait for four corners to light up when taking photo. Place behind dark background. Take a selfie in a well-lit room. Okay, got it. Uploading the document, you will have now the selfie verification. So you have to follow the two-step process and align your face with the frame. Hold your device on eye level and look straight into the camera. Your face will be captured automatically. So you just tap continue. Internet connection is again strong para ma-upload yung document. The upload is now successful. Selfie and uploading of document or picture, you'll have the signature. Sign kayo 3 times. Your file is now ready to be reviewed and to be submitted. Review your information button. And then after that, you may click the I agree. Okay, click that. Then click the submit button. Then now your application is now processing. So let's wait. For account opening. Your application for account opening has been successfully submitted. So we've sent an email to the Gmail provided and please access the link to verify your email address. Account with pumunta kayo sa email na pinrovide ninyo during the application process. Okay, so here's the email. So, hi, thank you for opening an account with Union Bank. To verify your email address, click on the button below. So, you're going to click this, verify email, para ma-verify ang inyong email address. So, nag-send sila ng verification sa email. So, ngayon, nag-send sila ng OTP again. So, saan dito? 76 898-076. Put the OTP. Okay, so you have already verified your email. So, andito na. Ito na yung dashboard. So, let's just wait for, ayan, nag-text sila sa number. Okay, so you can order a physical card for your newly open account. Click on your account and request for a card and receive it within 5 to 10 banking days. But as of this moment, if I'm not mistaken, they're not catering the request for card because of the ECQ. So your Union Bank online profile, you have enabled the notify every time you log into your account. Nagsisend sila ng OTP sa cellphone number. Okay. Yan. Notification inbox. Physical card for new account. Yan. So, new device login. So, you have the transactions, promos. Ayan. Agad. And by the way, hindi nyo siya magagamit agad-agad. Kayo, it doesn't mean that it's already activated. So, you wait for how many hours or a day para ma-activate yung inyong account. And you have to check your email from time to time because they will send an email saying that your account is already activated. So, from that time na sinabi nila na activated na account, that's the only time that you can use your Union Bank account. So, pwede na kayo mag-cash in, mag-make a deposit, transfer fund, or pay bills. So, that's the only time. Kaya, let's wait muna for the activation message. Okay, so we have already received a message from Union Bank sa ating email address that we have successfully validated your account details. You may now use your new Union Bank savings account. Please be advised that due to the enhanced community quarantine, debit card requests and delivery are temporarily unavailable. Okay, so ayan, activated na yung account natin. The details that we have sent, the documents and everything are already validated. So, silang isa-send na message under the inbox, under advisories. You will send a message saying that your account is now active. And that time, you can now use your Union Bank online and pay bills, money, transferring funds, depositing, savings, yon, bank account. Before si Jowa nagpa-open ng bank account, nauna na ako nakapag-open ng account dito sa Union Bank. So, sabi niya, gawan ko din daw siya ng account. So, eto, ayan. Pero yung gumawa ako i-open account on Sunday and hindi siya agad-agad na-activate. A few hours or pagka kinagabihan pa siya na-activate. So, I was eager that time kasi magbabayad ako ng bill by using Union Bank online. So, I was a bit frustrated kasi akala ko pag na-open na yung account, ibig sabihin pwede nang mag-transact. But, unfortunately, hindi. We have to wait for the activation or verification saying that our account is already active. But, if you're going to open an account on weekdays, so mas madali yung application process, mas mabilis yung activation in like 10 minutes lang or so. You will already receive an email saying that you have successfully validated your account details. So, that's a tip. You have to open an account during weekdays. Okay. So, I have another video I am going to upload about how you're going to pay PSA service using the Union Bank online. Okay, so watch out for the next video and I hope that you have learned something from today's video. Comment down below whatever videos you would want me to do or video request, and don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you so much and see you on the next video. Bye!